This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. An in-focus look at the Swiss franc. In the March 2nd video, I reviewed the Swiss franc trade in relation to the euro, the US dollar, and the British pound as it related to the US dollar Chinese yuan trade. On both the British pound and the euro, we had a consolidation range based on one large candle at the bottom of those trends. The euro this week has broken out the last couple of days out of that range from the high into a bullish trend. We've had very bullish price action metrics, though they are coming in. And typically when you see the rising lower end of these metrics and the falling higher end of these metrics, you can see that that sort of is like a triangle pattern, a narrowing pattern, and that indicates that possibly, potentially within the next 3 trading sessions, we might see that. And so today what I expect on that trade is a 117.39.5 potential high to a 116.67 area as a potential low there. And currently, this view, though we have very strong momentum metrics, looks potentially bearish mostly for the day. Again, potentially a consolidation day there. We've been very bullish on momentum. There is a chance we could really push high on this Euro-Swiss franc trade, given all of the metrics, and take out some of these conditions. But most likely, I would expect a consolidation day. Our open shows us that we have a breakdown below this line. So we're going to get a test of that momentum strength. When we look at the British pound versus the Swiss franc, we are right at the top of that range again. The last time we were here, we started seeing some selling pressure. But at this level, we also have a trend shift breakout level out of this bearish trend that we fell into. We bounced right back up into it, fairly strong. Our momentum metrics show that on this open that we've broken down through this, but we can really push high here. And so here's what I expect. I expect for this trade to either consolidate above this 130.54 area, but potentially a target of a 131.89 as a first target, and the strength could really push us all the way up to around the 132.72. So that's what we look like on the British pound Swiss franc for the day. Again, we have a trend support area around this 130.57. And so from where we are here, I'm expecting potentially a breakout above this trend support where we are here, right up through that into the 131.89 area. And let's take a look very quickly at the US dollar Swiss franc. We have some fairly bullish price action metrics. I have a buy signal on chart analytics also. We have a lot of strong momentum metrics, but on this open here, on this US dollar Swiss franc, we really came in below this trigger line on our momentum. What I expect is for this trade to find support around the 93.99 area, so right there around 94 even, and a push potentially higher into the 94.72, maybe even up to 95.11 on that US dollar Swiss franc. I really think that what we'll see here is momentum really come in potentially today on this US dollar Swiss franc. But we'll keep an eye on it, and just things to watch for there, sort of a trade alert. And very quickly, I'll point out one quick thing here on this Euro British pound trade. Same thing here. I show a potential high of around 89.46, and my 2 low targets are 88.92 and 88.66. CIS Trading.